In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the most important and most useful resources when you are studying English on your own. I refer to the online dictionaries. These resources have a fundamental importance because they will give you the exact pronunciation of practically any word that you will come across. One of the best dictionaries on the internet is Cambridge Dictionary, which can be accessed from any browser on the PC or smartphone. The web address is dictionary.cambridge.org. The dictionary works like any other search engine on the internet. Just type the word in this field and then press return. When the dictionary shows the results, you will get the meaning of a word and its explanation in English. If the word has several meanings, you will see them one after the other depending on the situation where the word is used. What I mean is that it will show you the meaning depending if the word is used as a verb, pronoun, noun, or something different. However, the most useful feature of these dictionaries is this part right here. By clicking on these little speakers, you will be able to hear the American pronunciation on the one with the label US, and you can also hear the British pronunciation on the little speaker with the label UK. Although along with these little speaker icons also appears the pronunciation with a defined standard for this. But the truth is that it's not very useful, because for most of us it will mean to learn how to interpret this way of writing the pronunciations, and it doesn't make any sense to spend the time learning that, unless it's something you want to learn. Now let's see how it works. For example, the word internet. We hear the American pronunciation.
Internet.
Now the British pronunciation.
Internet.
Now let's try with the word run. By going down on the page, you can see all the situations in which this word is used. Let's try with one more example with a more difficult word to pronounce. Let's try with this word. Now let's hear the American pronunciation.
Knowledgeable.
And now the British pronunciation.
Knowledgeable.
Basically, this is the most useful feature of online dictionaries, and it may seem ridiculously simple, but you must take into consideration something very important by asking yourself the following question. If there was no internet, how could you know the correct pronunciation of the words? Think a little about it, and you will realize the amazing advantages that we have today to learn languages. Besides, these dictionaries also have a variety of additional features that serve to practice specific things in learning English or other languages as well. For example, the Cambridge Dictionary can be used as a bilingual dictionary with languages such as Spanish, French, German, and a few other languages. It has several additional options that can be useful when learning English. But the best thing you can do is to take your time to surf within the site, and you may discover something interesting to learn more. There are also other similar dictionaries, such as the Oxford Dictionary. The address is this one, that is a little complicated. Just make a Google search, such as Oxford Dictionary. And the link is this one. Google is an extremely useful tool you can use when looking for a good online dictionary. Just make a search like this. English dictionaries, and you will see in the results several dictionaries that you can use. On the internet there are many dictionaries available for free. However, the best for me are the Cambridge Dictionary, the Oxford, and also wordreference.com.